Compound cleaning means keeping the school environment clean and free from dirt by removing leaves, papers, plastics, and other waste. It is a shared responsibility of teachers, students, and staff to maintain a clean school. Cleanliness prevents diseases, promotes comfort, discipline, teamwork, and responsibility among students. Common cleaning tools include brooms for sweeping, rakes for gathering leaves, hose for removing weeds, and waste bins for disposal. A resumption exercise prepares the school for learning after holidays, when dirt and weeds may have accumulated. Students, guided by teachers, clean classrooms, the compound, and shared spaces using proper tools. Daily cleaning is vital. Students should avoid littering and follow cleaning rosters. Regular cleaning keeps classrooms and surroundings neat, preventing illnesses like malaria and cholera. Compound cleaning builds lifelong habits of responsibility and hygiene.